Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Barakat Rides. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back to where I filmed my first video, if you realize, if you recognize. And in today's video, it's going to be very brief. I'm going to be talking about how to make your writing fun. Finding writing inspiration. Writing inspiration is it takes a while. And inspiration doesn't just come like this. You have to tailor it to match with the way your mind thinks. You have to kind of like make yourself be inspired by doing certain things that can boost your inspiration. I don't know if I make sense, but you have to use a trigger. You need something to trigger your inspiration, and this goes a long way in art, writing, music. You need inspiration. So guys, I've got you covered. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is Pinterest. All guys, make Pinterest your best friend. Make Pinterest your bestie. Make Pinterest your life. Dedicate time to Pinterest. Okay, but don't fall into the rabbit hole of creating boards and pins without actually writing. You need to actually write. So guys, Pinterest, create inspiration boards with images that spark your creativity. Literally, like you can visualize scenes with Pinterest and then go back to writing and you'll be inspired. And this doesn't work with everyone because we all have different minds. So you can find other alternative apps for inspiration, or just search for images that put an idea to your mind about which scene you want to write. If you write a book that contains scenes that are difficult to write without an actual visual about it. The second thing is Spotify. Listen to playlists that match your story's mood or theme. Use music to help develop characters and scenes. Guys, the lyrics of songs, there's a psychology in them that literally makes your writing. When you listen to music while writing, not only do you absorb those lyrics and those themes, it can be reflected to your work, literally. But like me, I normally dance to the music, but yeah, I normally just like save them to the board I listen to them when I'm washing dishes and stuff like that. So it can give me ideas, inspiration through music. Guys, the third thing I'm going to be talking about is reading books. Read widely across genres to expose yourself to different styles and ideas. Analyze what you enjoy and find inspiration in how authors handle themes and characters. Reading helps you in the sense that you can get vocabulary from other writers. You can get to absorb their writing style and make and create a book that takes that writing style and makes it even better. Like, you can learn so much about how other writers write their own books by reading. Embrace non-originality. Understand that all stories draw ideas from existing ideas and experiences. That doesn't make sense, but you know what? I'll make it make sense, guys. So understand that stories, like even the most original story ever, has had an idea from someone else or something else. There's no such thing as originality. Believe you me, Aki, trust you me. When I say Aki, it's like a Kenyan expression. So yeah. So guys, listen to conversations. Eavesdrop on daily conversations to capture authentic dialogue. Okay, this is bad behavior, But if you're a writer, well, the words come to your ears. So just sit down and just listen. Pay attention to your environment and listen, and maybe pick out the cues of other people when they are speaking, and then note it down somewhere and try to put that in your project, in the sense that it will make it more realistic and it will give you inspiration, because you'll get ideas from the conversations you have out there. And being observant, guys, open your eyes. Open your eyes, guys. Your eyes as a writer are the best tools to use. Or even your ears, or even the way you touch things, the texture. Being observant, pay attention to your surroundings and enhance sensory. This enhances sensory descriptions. Sensory descriptions like smell, hearing, taste, touch, sight, all those sensory descriptions. Note details like smell, sounds, and textures to create vivid and immersive settings and atmospheres in your novel or project. And guys, your inspiration will grow, literally. Guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm glad you've been following along the Barakat rights. I'm really glad. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. It will go a long way in making this channel grow. And I want to inspire young teenagers like myself to be better versions of themselves and to write stories that inspire, stories that heal, and stories that change the world. Guys, comment below on whether these tips and tricks were useful or not, and we'll go a long way in helping each other. So that's it for this video. Happy writing. Bye.